welcome back to my YouTube channel, or welcome to my channel if you're new here. So for today's video, I am doing the Get to Know Me tag. I've never really done anything like this before on my channel. I thought this would be like a good way to put like a person behind the face that you're watching. And yeah, so maybe we'll have stuff in common. If you have anything in common with me, comment down below. If you don't have anything in common with me, comment down below. I don't know. So let's just get right into the questions. Question number 1, where did you grow up? I am born and raised in Maryland. It's a really small state to other people, but to me, it feels really big. And we also have like DC right next to us, so it feels really big. Like I couldn't even imagine living in like Texas. That's really big. How tall are you? I'm really short. I'm like 4'11" and like 3/4. So depending on when you ask me, I might say 4'11" and I might say 5 feet tall. Whenever I wear shoes, I'm 5 feet tall. So like dogs or cats. I am a dog person, but I really like cats too. Kittens are adorable. So cute. But yeah, I'm a dog person. I have a dog of my own. Her name is Xena, and she's a Shih Tzu, and she's really cute. What year were you born? I was born in 2001, and I'm an August baby, so I'm still 17. What is your favorite drink? Okay, so this one is a toughie. I can tell you my least favorite drink. Well, like, least favorite drinks. I really don't like carbonated drinks. Don't get me wrong, I love cherry Coke a lot. It's really good. That's like, I think my favorite like soda. My favorite drink is probably like a Shirley Temple. That's carbonated. Or like half and half, like iced tea lemonade, but honestly I usually just drink water. What is your spirit animal and why? Like I was saying earlier, I'm an August baby, so my astrological sign is a Leo, and I think that like a lion or like lioness would be my spirit animal. Either that or like a dog. Oh my gosh, for those Harry Potter fans out there, my Patronus is a stoat or a stout. I don't know how to say it. Basically looks like a ferret. Yeah. Tea or coffee? In like the fall and winter, I'm a tea person, but like spring and summer, I'm a coffee person. What are your life goals? Honestly, just to be like happy and like successful and just to like make an impact on the people around me. What sports do you play or have you played? Next question. Have any books you've read changed your life? I don't know if any books have like changed my life per se, but my favorite book is Peace, Love, and Baby Ducks. I think it's by, I want to say Lauren Miracle. I could be wrong. My first like book series that I ever like got like emotionally invested into was Divergent. Who are your favorite YouTubers? If we're talking like OG YouTubers, then I would definitely say like Bethany Moda, Meredith Foster, Aspen Ovard. Love them. There's way more than I'm probably forgetting, but yeah, those are like the 3 that I can think of off the top of my head. Do you speak any languages, and how well? Any languages? Ugh. I mean, I'd say I know English, but more seriously, other than like English, which was my first language, I speak Greek and Italian. Greek I know from like my household and family and stuff because I am Greek. No, I took 3 years of Italian in high school. I don't know if I know more Italian, but I know more about Italian. I could probably speak more Italian, but I could probably understand more Greek. There we go. How would you describe your fashion sense? I feel like my fashion sense is a little like all over the place, but like, okay, I can define it by a few terms. Fun, flirty, girly, trendy, and comfy. What is your go-to hairstyle? For me, honestly, I just wear my hair down most days, but if not, I will either clip it back with these little like clippy things. I don't know what to call them. I sometimes straighten my hair, or I don't really curl my hair because I don't have that great of a curling wand, but curling my hair is like my fancy stuff. How many siblings do you have? I have 1 sibling, and she is my older sister. She is 2 years older than me, and her name is 𝕄𝕒𝕣𝕚. Do you have any bad habits? Me? No. What? My bad habit also happens to be like my pet peeve, so I think it's probably like Karma. Basically, I have a really bad habit of interrupting people. I don't mean to, and it really only happens with like people that I'm really close to or like my family and stuff like that. I'll just like think of something and it just flies out of my mouth. And then also another bad habit of mine is that I never land my plane when I'm telling a story. I literally take 5 million years to tell a story. And I mean, I'm giving good detail, so take it as you will. Tell us one thing about you that we wouldn't know. I played in percussion from 4th grade to 12th grade. What was your dream job as a kid? In kindergarten, they had us write down what our dream job was, and when I was younger, I wanted to be a veterinarian. What is your favorite color? My favorite color is yellow, and I also really thoroughly enjoy a good blue. Do you know your personality type? If so, what is it? I'm assuming this is talking about like the 16 personalities thing. It's ENFP dash either I think A or T. I don't remember what mine is, but I will put it right here once I figure it out. So that is all for this video. I really hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe and the notification bell and all that stuff. But yeah, I really hope you guys liked it. And like I was saying earlier, if you found anything that we have in common, comment down below. It's cool to make friends. So yeah. Alright, I will see you guys all in my next video. Bye. Don't mess with me, I'm a big boy now and I'm very scared.